Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys display and brightness setting in a Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you guys one by one step by step your phone display setting. So guys, in this video guys first of all I will show you guys how can you on your adaptive brightness means guys auto brightness mode setting guys how can you use and guys how can you on it in your Tecno phone. So guys now let's see how to on it. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting. So guys I will on it, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys I will tap here, guys click on guys your adaptive brightness means auto brightness. So guys you can on from here. After on guys your brightness will decrease because guys I am inside, and when I will go outside guys my brightness will increase it. And guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off auto brightness means adaptive brightness, and guys how can you use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.